Imagine an extraterrestrial visitor approaching Earth for the very first time. From out in the void, our planet is a closed, solitary system. If that alien were to land, the geometry of our cities or the complexity of our technology probably wouldn't hold their attention. They would be entirely baffled by the physical surface of the planet itself. The source of their confusion would be the sheer volume and variety of living organisms fighting, thriving, and multiplying across the globe. We wake up every day on this planet taking that rich tapestry for granted. We humans rarely ever pause to consider just how statistically anomalous a globe covered in millions of distinct life forms actually is. To understand that anomaly, we have to look down at the ground and audit the sheer scale of the system. Start with plants. 20,000 species of orchids alone. In the oceans, add 28,000 species of fishes. On land, 20,000 species of ants. And staggeringly, 300,000 species of beetles, a single order producing hundreds of thousands of unique variations. For ecologists and evolutionary biologists, this presents a massive mathematical dilemma. Is all of this merely biological overproduction? Or is there a precise functional purpose to these overwhelming numbers? Answering why there are so many species is the absolute prerequisite for understanding how planet Earth actually operates. If we rewind the clock to Earth's origins, we see this extreme abundance is not a default state. The planet started as barren rock. This presents a historical paradox. A sterile sphere somehow manufactured millions of highly specialized, distinct species over its lifespan. This timeline illustrates the mechanics of how that happened. Evolutionary diversification begins with simple, singular organisms that split into highly complex, specialized branches. This splitting is a calculated response to specific environmental challenges. Organisms mutated to survive ice, extreme heat, and deep water. Earth's biological abundance is the direct result of a rigorous million-year manufacturing process designed to conquer every available inch of the environment. Returning to the present day, we have to ask what the real-time daily function of all this diversity actually is. Biologists call this work ecological services. Ecological services are the vital systemic functions, like nutrient cycling, pollination, and climate regulation, that living organisms perform to keep the environment running. Executing those functions requires massive variety. A single organism cannot pollinate every type of flower, nor can it regulate the temperature in both a desert and a rainforest. Those 300,000 species of beetles are therefore not redundant copies. They are highly specialized microtools